Hello friends, welcome to Endo Tales from Life. In this episode, we are going to see about a new product that I've been using recently in my practice. So it's not exactly a product review video, but it's more of an update on one of the old video on mouth mirrors. Yes. For a very long time, what I've been using in my practice is the rear surface, the regular rear surface mirror whenever I work along with the aerators or any instrument that splash water. Basically, because the rear surface mirrors easily form a uniform coat or a film of water on its surface, whereas the front surface mirrors always have this water as droplets on the mirror. They do not form a film because of the surface tension difference. So I actually shift to the front surface mirrors only when I work dry. And I use these economical relaxed mirrors for the routine workflow, and whenever I'm documenting, I use these crystal SD Zik mirrors. This has been my workflow for the past few years. But recently I got to know about this product called the Airclean dental mirror, which is nothing but a front surface HD mirror which also has a tubing that can be attached to it, which can be connected to your three-way syringe. So you can just blow air whenever you have a film of, whenever you have the water droplets blocking your vision. So this is how the assembly looks like. They give you a tubing and they claim all of these are autoclavable, and you can just attach these tubings to your three-way syringe, and this can be in turn attached to your mouth mirror. So let's see how it goes. So this end of the tubing is attached to the mouth mirror, and there's a channel running through the body of the mouth mirror, and the other end can be easily attached to your three-way syringe. Gently press this switch around your three-way syringe and just insert the tubing here. And when you press the air switch in your three-way syringe, there is air that is going to be blown onto the reflective surface of your mirror. They also give you an additional option of, they give you a plastic switch which can be fitted on to your three-way syringe, which can keep the air switch pressed throughout. So unfortunately, this did not fit in my Confident dental chair. So maybe certain other brands can also have this option. But still, I prefer to have this, airflow only when needed. So I give this to my assistant. So whenever I want them to blow, or since they also monitor, view the work through the monitor, they know when to blow exactly, so that we don't have to keep blowing all the time. So this is the vision through the mirror. You can see it's really nice, high definition, high quality, and they also claim it's an anti-fog mirror because of its hydrophobicity. So yes, you can see I'm showing you this video without rubber dam so that you can see that it's not fogging much. But in heavy mouth breathers, yes, you can see here on the bottom, there can be a little bit of fogging. But can you see that? It just disappears when my assistant is just blowing air. See that? So that's the best part about this video. And let me show you some random clippings when I work in different stages of an endodontic procedure. You can see here the three-way syringe. The water droplets forming typically on the front surface mirror. This is a front surface mirror. So now I no longer use the rear surface mirror even when I'm working wet, because I have the freedom now. My assistant can just keep blowing air, so my vision keeps getting cleared out when I work. I'm just stopping now and there just to show you how this mirror can just keep your vision clear. And at a very different stage of the same case, see, I can comfortably work without stopping, without having to, keep the aerator down, pick up the three-way syringe, blow your mirror. Can be a little frustrating. And I use a lot of ultrasonics during my endo. And you can see even when I use ultrasonics, in spite of all the splash on the mirror, how beautifully it's getting cleared. And I have to tell you this, I do not have any financial terms with this product. Just because I'm using it, I'm sharing it with you all. And at times, when you use hypo, when you use sealer, your mirror can get dirty. And just a small tip that I will give you: I always have a tissue paper handy, chair side, so that I can keep wiping it, because cotton or gauze do not clean mirrors in a very nice way. So you can see here, I just keep wiping it off with tissue, maybe once in a while when you have anything apart from just water, like hypo, that can leave a bit of film, or some sealer particles can be just cleared off with this tissue that is either moist or dry. So apart from this, they also give you this autoclavable cover. That's one thing that I really like about it, because in the past, a lot of my mirrors have been damaged during the autoclaving process because of the dry heat, and now they give you a scratch protection cover, autoclavable cover, sleeve, I should say. And you can just put them on whenever it's not in use, so that it doesn't get damaged by other sharp instruments along with your endo kit, or during autoclaving process as well. So just easy to just clip it on and remove. So apart from what I mentioned, these are the features that uh, the dealers or the manufacturers claim. They say it's also 360-degree rotatable mirror, and the best part is you can also replace just the mirror part without changing the assembly and the mirror body. You can just replace it. Now they give you an additional 10 mirrors if you want, and they give you a small key with which you can just replace the mirrors whenever it's getting damaged. This is a good thing, because with my Zirk mirrors, I had to dispose the entire setup whenever they get damaged. So this can also be reasonably economical and handy as well. So you can buy them either online from Dental Card, or directly from the Younique Dental. They are the dealers for these mirrors in India, and the cost of one mirror along with the assembly is like 3,500 rupees. And maybe later, when you buy just the mirrors which can be replaced, no, that's a pack of 10 is like 2,500 rupees. Let's like 250 rupees per mirror. It's just like, you buy it once and then you can keep replacing it. So I think this video will be helpful for people who are interested about mouth mirrors, having clear vision throughout your workflow. And I'll see you soon in our next video. Thank you for watching.